Hey, what is up guys? It's PMHK here. So today we're looking at how you can watch TV like a boss. Basically, you'll be watching TV like you're supposed to be watching TV on the 21st century. Now we're talking about specifically Dstv. So we all know that for you to be able to watch Dstv, I think still today, most of you probably think that you need to have a decoder. But this method of watching Dstv that I have here, it cancels out the decoder completely. And I think this will become very handy to people that are like in university, where there is free Wi-Fi connection or free internet, and all people that already have fiber connections at home, or even if you have a proper 10 meg, at least 10 meg line connection at home. So for you to be able to use this method of watching DSTV, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need obviously a TV. Now this is not really a TV, this is my monitor that I use to edit my videos. So you're gonna need a TV. This is number one. You're going to need a streaming device. I'm using a Chromecast to cast whatever to the TV. You can also use some of the Samsung TV. I know there are a couple of Samsung TV. I don't know which one specifically, but I know that they have the function for you to be able to cast on the TV or any other TV that has the Android operating system working on them. So one, you're gonna need a TV, you're gonna need a Chromecast, you're going to need a premium subscription from DSTV because the other subscriptions don't support the DSTV Go app. I'm not sure if it's actually the DSTV Now app, and it will become in handy for students, as I said, because let's say you have your parents or your family back at home and they have a premium account. I have mosquitoes in this house. And they have a premium account, so you can actually tap into their account for you to be able to watch DSTV from wherever you are. So obviously you're gonna need the subscription. As I said, you're gonna need a premium subscription, which goes around 850 Rand, which is really steep. I see in future this price actually going down, since we're probably not gonna be needing a decoder anymore or a satellite dish for us to watch DSTV. Now, I personally don't watch DSTV anymore. I cut DSTV. The subscription that I have, I had to turn it back on because I had my parents visiting and they like watching DSTV. So after this thing is done, it's done. I'm not gonna be renewing the subscription because 850, it's still too much. So let's jump into the application. Now, you're gonna have to obviously register it online for you to be able to access the DSTV account via your device. Now, this will work on Android as well as our iOS devices. So after you download the application, this is actually pretty easy. After you download the application, which is called DSTV Now from the application store, all you gotta do is click the cast button. Obviously you have to meet all the requirements that I just mentioned here, which is the TV. Actually, I think this is the easiest setup that you can have. You have your TV or your monitor, you have your Chromecast there, you have your tablet here, and you have the application for you to actually do the streaming. So in the application, you have your home, you have your live TV, you have your TV guide, obviously you have catch up, you have Showmax. You can even connect your Showmax to the DSTV premium account. And you have your kids, you have your downloads, you have my DSTV, all those other things we don't need. So all you gotta look out for is this icon here. As long as you are all connected to the same Wi-Fi, so if you connect your Chromecast and your tablet to the same Wi-Fi, you should be able to see this little icon here. So all you gotta do is click on the icon, you select which device you want to cast to. So this Chromecast that I have here is called Kitchen, so I click on Kitchen, and what it does is it shows the DSTV Now app on your screen. So we can either watch live TV or go home and catch up on a series. So we're gonna go straight to live TV. Hopefully we're not gonna have anything funny showing. So let's go to, and what's nice about this is that you have all this interaction here, which is better than having to go from screen to screen. On the screen, you can just come here and choose whatever you want to watch. So you have the all, you have sport, you have general entertainment, and you have news down here. So actually let's go and check up a little bit of news. And I call this watching DSTV like a boss because of this whole experience that you're going to be having here. So let's try watching Sky News just to show you guys that this actually works.
For softer Brexit.
And there we go, we're watching the news over the internet using Dstv. Now let's try something else. And what's good also, you can go and search for other channels while you are still showing something there. So let's go to maybe some cartoons. Oh, you have actually all the channels here live. Most of them are actually already here. So let's go to Cartoon Network. It's been a while since I last watched cartoons. So as you can see, if you have a proper internet connection, you're gonna be able to stream like with no hiccups or any stutter in the video quality itself.
You ready to get out? Yeah, dude. Let's get BMO to make us some sauce.
Alright, so this is gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to share with you guys how I normally, or how I've been watching DSTV since I renewed my subscription, which I'm not going to do anymore because it's really a bit expensive. 850 for a subscription when you can just pay around 110 Rand for Netflix or 99 Rand for your Showmax. Now DSTV is charging you 850. So if you have a proper internet connection, you really kind of don't need DSTV. Sorry, DSTV. But in future, they will probably all migrate to a system where it doesn't use the decoders anymore. So I'm guessing when they do that, I might just jump back. That's if the 850 price goes down. So this is gonna be it for this video. If you have any question in how to set all this thing up, make sure you leave them on the comments down below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you join the Homekrafted family by subscribing to the channel and join that notification squad or notification gang. Squad or gang? Squad. Gang sounds too bandit like. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
Use it, man, because you're getting... I'm getting what? Because you're getting fat.